Hi everyone, welcome again to my channel. Today I'll be showing you how to make green masala Sukka Mutton. So it's a dry curry. It's not very dry, but it's like a semi-dry curry which you can have only with rotis or bhakri or naan. So this is a very traditional recipe, a little bit spicy but full of flavor. Let me show you how. Come on.
Let's start with the masala paste which we will need for the marination. You can also make this and keep it ready a day before. Now these spices are so fragrant and will impart an amazing flavor to the mutton, and we are going to lightly fry them to bring out the flavors even more. Now this is what we are looking for. We will fry the onions, garlic, ginger, cashews and the green chilies until just translucent. You can increase or decrease the quantity of chilies as per how spicy you like. All the cooking is on medium flame. Now this looks good. Switch off the flame and add the herbs and keep aside to cool a bit. We will grind this into a thick fine paste with very little water at a time. This is the perfect consistency. I'm using all mixed pieces of mutton. I have washed and patted it dry. Try to use fresh yogurt. This is the masala paste we made earlier and we will use all of it. Wow, this is so fragrant. We will mix and marinate this mutton for an hour. In the meantime, we will go ahead with the next step. Now this recipe calls for slightly more oil than usual, but you can always adjust as per your liking. We have used green chilies in the masala, so you can add accordingly. Now saute the finely chopped onions until nice and golden. We will add the marinated mutton and saute a bit. Cook and cover until it changes color and the water oozes out. Now remember, this is a semi-dry curry, so add just 1 cup water initially and we will add more if required for cooking. Always add hot water. Allow this to cook on medium flame for about 40 to 45 minutes, checking once in between. This gravy will reduce eventually as we continue cooking. I checked in between and the mutton is cooked. The detailed recipe is in the description box below. Now this will thicken as you keep it. Dried fenugreek leaves will give an awesome flavor to the dish. Crush them before adding. We are almost done here. Fresh lime juice for that slight tang and we are good to go. Please do subscribe to my channel for such amazing recipes. Now mutton is ready to serve. Thanks for watching.
Now I have already shown a lot of mutton recipes, some traditional, some non-traditional. So this will be an addition to your recipe collection. Take a look at the link below for other mutton recipes that I have posted. If you like this recipe, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and I'll see you next week. Bye.